Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, are you wondering when and how to use clarithromycin? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore everything you need to know about this powerful antibiotic. Clarithromycin is used to treat a variety of bacterial infections. This includes respiratory infections like bronchitis and pneumonia, as well as skin and other infections. Are you battling a nasty sinus infection or struggling with skin bumps? Well, clarithromycin might be the solution your doctor prescribes. But how does clarithromycin work? It's simple. It stops bacteria from growing by interfering with their protein production. Imagine it like throwing a wrench in the gears of the bacteria's machinery. Without proteins, bacteria can't keep growing. Now, let's talk about dosage. It's crucial to follow your doctor's instructions exactly. Usually, you start with an initial dose, followed by a maintenance dose as the treatment progresses. Remember that the exact dose can vary depending on the infection, so always check with your doc. However, it's not all perfect. Like all medications, clarithromycin has potential side effects. These can range from nausea and headaches to more serious conditions like liver problems or irregular heart. Be sure to discuss these effects with your doctor to stay informed and safe. Finally, let's do a quick recap. Clarithromycin is a versatile antibiotic used against various bacterial infections. Always take it exactly as prescribed, be mindful of side effects, and consult your doctor for the best advice. Thanks for watching this video. Remember that staying informed is your best tool for taking care of your health effectively. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.